It's me again, Tippin. Today we are going to make a perfect dipping sauce, hot, spicy, and very, very hot. This is a special one because we are going to make something that could be displayed in your house, in your living room, in your kitchen, in your bar, or anywhere. First of all, we have to choose a decorative container. We have some selection here, and we really want a very special one so that your friends will appreciate it. I picked this one here for our container. And now we're going to make our dipping sauce, and it's perfectly good for any fried food. We have onions, we have garlic, we have this salt and pepper, we also put some lemon juice here, and we start freezing it so that the flavor will come out. Now we have 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar. Wow. And also a cup of sugar. Okay. Now we have this chili, different kind of chili and different kind of flavor. We have to slice some of it so that the flavor will come out right away. Mainly, we have to slice the green. Put it in the mixture. And this is very, very hot. We don't want to slice that. It will melt. The flavor will come out eventually. And also this one. Very hot. We keep mixing it. See? Okay, this time the flavor is still in, but maybe in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow, you could feel the spices in there. Now, we put it in our container. First, we put this one. See? Now, we put the juice. This is a mixture of 1 cup vinegar and 1 cup water and 1 cup of sugar. See how nice it looks? Perfect. With the color and everything. You could put this anywhere, your favorite room in the house. If you put this in your bar, your friends will appreciate it. I have to say again that this dipping sauce is perfect for a fried food or anything. See? It's just a perfect decoration around the house, anywhere. Perfect. See? How beautiful is it? Very nice. Perfect for your bar. In the kitchen, in the TV room, or anywhere. And it is noticeable that you have made a dipping sauce. You will be looking for your dipping sauce. You will know right away where is it. Once again, this is TIPIN Mendoza. Please do not forget to subscribe and look for us in our next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.